there nothing I can do to convince you to stay?
I really best be leaving.
Tried. You'll be able to find your way home, won't you?
Oh, yes.
Will I be seeing you again?
San Francisco's a long way from here.
Well, I'm in San Francisco 5 days a week. I'd like to see you again. Maybe we could go swimming. Mother tells me you like to go swimming.
And how does Mother know what I like to do?
I guess she and I read the same gossip column.
Oh, that. Rome.
I like to swim. We might get along very well.
Just in case you're interested, I was pushed into that fountain.
Without any clothes on?
With all my clothes on. The newspaper that ran that story just happens to be the rival of my father's paper. So anything that they said was...
You were just a poor, innocent victim of circumstance, huh?
I'm neither poor nor innocent. But that particular story was just...
The truth is, you were running round with a pretty wild crowd.
Yes, but...
Who didn't care very much for the propriety or convention or
Yes.
the opinion of others. And you just went right along with them, didn't you? Isn't that the truth too?
Yes, that is the truth. But I was pushed into that fountain, and that's the truth too.
Sure. Do you really know Anna Hayworth?
No. At least I didn't until I came up here.
So you didn't go to school with her then?
No.
And you didn't come up here to see her?
No.
So you were lying?
Yes, I was lying.
Did you really write a letter to me? Or was that a lie too?
I wrote the letter.
And what did it say?
It said, "Dear Mr. Brenner, I think you should have these lovebirds after all. They may help your personality." That's what I said.
But you tore it up.
Yes.
Why?
Because it seems stupid and foolish.
Like jumping into a fountain in Rome?
I already explained what happened in Rome.
Do you expect me to believe?
I don't give a damn what you believe.
I'd still like to see you.
Why?
Because I think it could be fun.
That might have been good enough for last summer in Rome, but it's not good enough now.
It is for me.
But not for me.
What do you want?
I thought you knew. I want to go through life beautiful and laughing and jumping into fountains, naked. Good night.